Okay, so first off, just wanted to say, trying to film and drive is extremely hard, especially with a 10-pound camera. So I'm on the way to the airport to pick the one and only Evan Hara. And we're doing a shoot this weekend at a cabin for Christmas. Dude's flying from SF, and like I told him this, you're not flying out of SF. No one flies out of SF without a delay. Evan and his freaking 3 bags, because it's really difficult to travel for like a day. No, he literally flies in, technically on Saturday, because it's technically Saturday now. He flies out tomorrow night. Man brings, I bet you this dude brings a suitcase and 3 other bags. This man is one of the worst people I know with location. Like, love the kid to death, but oh, his location is just not okay. Like, he'll be like, yeah, I'm, or what? He almost took us the wrong side of a country. How do you even do that? Oh, that's a curb! I'm sorry. It's Evan. Bro.
What's going on, homie? I saw you drive on the curb.
Dude, I did that 3 times already.
Dope, this is great. So we're here.
Is my car too hot?
No.
Does this feel like LA?
No, nothing can be too hot for me. So this shoot's gonna be interesting because Brennan has tons of things to do.
Lots of things to do.
And I also have lots of things to do. So the big thing for this trip is to see if the drone even works. Because
definitely not gonna work. It doesn't work in the state.
Apparently in Oregon, drones don't work. So we are going to, are you going to sleep?
No, dude, I just woke up.
Okay, so Brennan just, okay, so.
I went to bed at like 5.
Something's wrong with his sleep schedule. You know, I got to the airport in LA with 3 minutes to board.
Do you pre-check?
Yeah. Pre-check is the way to go. Our cabin is only 20 minutes away from the actual mountain where we're shooting.
No, because I was like, I need exercise. You're like, dude, we're gonna hike to the top of the mountain. Okay. And you're like, I'm sure there's a path. And then I was like, Evan, you can't go up there. There's no path. Like, and then I looked, you have to like, it's ice. So you have to like get the grapple hooks and stuff to get up there. And he's like, oh, it's fine. We're gonna take the path. The path to the top of the mountain.
I grew up in Texas, specifically Plano, filled with plains.
Hey Evan, it's flat. That's why they call it Plano.
The only time that I regret, the only time I've actually climbed something was with Brennan in Hawaii, and that was a mistake. Dude, that railroad turns into a ladder. Okay, look, if I had gone at my own pace, I would have been fine. But Brennan's like 100 feet in front of me, and there's all these girls passing me that are like.
There was a lot of ripped girls. There's the ones at the top that are like, yeah, we made it in 11 minutes today.
Yeah, that was.
And we're like,
that was annoying.
We did it in like 45.
Yeah, I was wheezing, and this girl passed me. I was like, come on, Jamie, you got 5 more minutes. So I'm here at Brennan's house. It's a beautiful house, but he's got these chickens everywhere. I live in a place where you don't see chickens very often, and they're just hanging out. Like, I can walk right up to them. What are they? They're like digging holes.
I think he repeat what you just said.
One of your chickens is wearing shoes. No, the white one. The chicken has shoes. We're in the beautiful Sherwood, Oregon, and we're gonna be heading up to Mount Hood as soon as our model man gets out of his house. Yeah. If there's one thing that we can teach you guys as travel filmmakers, it's that everyone will always cancel on you. Like I told Brennan, I was like, we were probably talking to at least 7 or 8 girls that said that they could go. Yeah. And Brennan was like, this is too many girls, like there's no way. And I was like, just wait. We'll probably end up with like 3. And everyone bailed, and now we have 1. So Brennan, from word of experience, what would you like to say to the audience?
Just, if someone asks you to come to something, just go.
If you say yes, just go. Okay, you can say no. You can totally say no.
Say no.
Don't say yes and then no. Okay, so we're headed to our buddy's house. What's his name? We got Jonathan in the back. What's up? And we're gonna head up to Mount Hood right after that. No, we have to meet up with Mr. Kev. Should we get food?
We don't have time.
I know we don't, but like, should we?
You look cute. Jesus, Evan! Oh, God, you have to roll the window up.
Yeah, we need to find a good tree.
What are you gonna do with the tree?
What are you 3, 2.
I'm sorry.
We're not ready? I don't have an SD card. Yeah. There you go. Okay, ready?
Ooh. I'm helping him film.
He's trying to help me film. In the middle of the scene, all I hear behind me is a boom, like loud thud on the floor, and I find out that it was Brennan's 1D that just, you know, made out with the ground. And action. Is it warm? They opened the hot tub. Guys, close. Brennan? Brennan, we have to shoot one more thing.
What is happening?
It's Kevin, he's approaching. Kevin's walking.
Why didn't you let me borrow a pair of your shorts so I could go swimming?
Oh, okay.
Is this what you wanted, Brennan?
I'm happy.
Are you sure? I think so. I don't think you should do that. Wait, that's enough. That's enough. Wait for me to get over there.